Hello, children. Now, let's learn more from the chapter on clothes we wear. Children, we have already discussed about the types of clothes early man used to wear. They only used large leaves of trees to cover the body. With time, it was seen that even animal skin can be used as a cover for the body. However, these were not clothes actually. But the clothes which we use today are not leaves of plants directly. We use plant products to make threads from which fabrics are made. Now, let's learn some new words. Fibers. These are long threads that can be converted into yarns. Yarns. Long, continuous threads that can be woven into fabrics. Now, what are fabrics? These are pieces of cloth that we use to make our clothes. Next, interwoven. When things are knitted or laced or united together. Like you see in the picture, baskets are made with interwoven strips of straw, bamboo, or palm leaves. So these strips are united together or tightened together to form various things. Now, let us learn the process of making of fibers and turning them into fabrics. Now, children, see the first picture. It is of a cotton plant from which we get fibers. Fibers are long threads that can be converted into yarns. That is in the third picture. Yarns are long continuous threads that can be directly woven into fabrics. Now children, move to fourth picture, that is of fabrics. You can see arrow mark is given. So fabrics are pieces of cloth that we use to make our clothes. And finally, last picture is of clothes we wear. That means the yarn is interwoven to form pieces of fabrics as baskets are made using strips of bamboo or palm. Similarly, yarn is interwoven to form pieces of fabrics that can be cut and stitched to make clothes. Now, types of fibers. There are two types of fibers, natural fibers and man made fibers. Natural fibers, as the name says, are obtained from natural sources. So, what could the natural sources be? The sources will be both plants and animals. Now, plants give us natural fibers like jute and cotton, as you can see in the picture. And animals like sheep, goat, camels are used for their fur. Now, we get fibers from one of the insect also, that is silkworms. They produce one of the most valuable fiber, that is silk. Now children, see the picture. Things we get from natural fibers. We get cotton clothes from cotton plant. Jute is obtained from jute plant, which is used to make jute bags. Next picture is woolen clothes we get from the fur of animals like sheep, goat and camel. Next picture is of silk threads, which is used to make silk saris or various clothes out of it. Your mother might be having one. Now let's talk about man-made fibers. These are made by us in the industries or factories. Types of man-made fibers are rayon, nylon and polyester. So man-made fibers are discovered by scientists in the laboratories through experiment using different chemicals. These fibers are also called as synthetic fibers. Clothes made out of these fibers are light in weight and easy to clean. Now, children, do you know who is a scientist? Scientist is a person who studies a field of science and discovers new things. Okay, children, that's all for now. Thank you.